Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Hey, it's Barkbox Day. Yep, it's Barkbox today. We're going to check this out and see what it is. Do you subscribe to Barkbox? Do you have pets? Do you have little doggies? Barkbox is a monthly subscription that you can get for about $24, $24.99 a month. And they will send this out to you for your dogs each month, and it comes with 2 toys. It comes with 2 bags of treats and 1 little bag, usually like bullies or some kind of chew, and your dogs will love it, and the toys are great. And we're going to get in here and see what we have for November. You can hear my dogs in the background. They probably want to jump over here and attack this box. And I am going to have footage of them attacking the box at the end of this. Alright guys, we got home for Thanksgiving. Barkbox. How cute. This kind of serves as our product card. And we got a little peek in there. But it always has a little fun little, I guess, story, what they're feeding and what we want to be thankful for with our pets. But it also shows what we have in the box or what we could have. And it looks like we're going to have this particular toy, and it looks like we're going to have the turkey. So, if I wanted to, I could have ordered more. I could have got all of these toys for extra dollars. Or you can subscribe to a box for 3 toys. And I think that runs around $32 or something a month. So you can increase the amount of toys that you're getting in the boxes. If you have more dogs, you might want to do that. But that's what you could have got. And we're going to go through the toys first. We have the bark out of your gourd. Oh my gosh, isn't that cute? Bark out of your gourd. And it's got a couple little veggies. And then it's got a crinkly paper. And I'm sure these little veggies, they're going to squeak and make noise. But isn't that adorable? Just in time for Thanksgiving. And we got Mr. Turkey. Let's see what it says. Turkey Tim. So we got us a Turkey Tim, and he's got him a little crinkled tail, and he squeaks. Yeah, y'all like that? You hear that squeak? Yeah. They're ready to play with Mr. Turkey, but they're going to have to get to it. I'll put all this back in the box, and they're going to have to open it themselves, because it is for them, Yeah, I know. Y'all hear me talking about it. This month we got pork liver crunchies, and I'll have to say all their snacks are really good, and you can pick out what you want. I like non-GMO, no like soy, corn, and no gluten. So you can be specific in your orders. They always put the kinds of foods that you want for your dogs. And it looks like we got some more bad jerky treats or jerky bars. And the dogs really love these. And apparently a lot of dogs love these because we get these almost every month. So they must have a high demand for it. And they put those out, and then we get to try some pork liver crunchies this month. And this month for our chew, it looks like we got pork sticks. Now, I don't know if you recall, but we have been getting like pumpkin chews. So now we have some pork stick recipe chews. And I know they're going to love this. They know where the cabinet is, where these treats come out, and they're like standing there waiting. So they're going to love it. But this is Barkbox for November. We got our pork chews. We got our jerky treats. We got our pork liver crunchies. We got Turkey Tim. And we got this adorable out of your gourd little toy for the dogs. That actually is like 3 toys in one. And I have small dogs so they can all play with that. That is Barkbox for November. I want to thank you for being here. And if you haven't checked out our AllTrue train with the 7 women that are doing a collaboration and giveaway, you may want to check that out. It runs through November 28th. And I will be having another Fabfitfun battle of an uncustomized winter box with my daughter at Laura Wooten Unboxings. So be sure and check those out. I'm going to have to go because my dogs are getting very excited and wanting to play. probably get in this Barkbox. And that is what I have today. Like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any questions or any product that you really like in particular or want to know more about, let me know. That's it for today. You all have a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.